Next, property number 2. We used this property in first exercise also. Now we have to see the proof of this property. First one, let sin inverse of minus x is equal to 1. Why I am taking? Why or z, any letter we can take here. Next, sin inverse then right side minus x is equal to sin y. X is equal to minus sin y. We have the formula sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So we can write here sin of minus y, reverse formula. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. What is the x is? Now sin inverse then this side. Sin inverse of x is equal to minus y. Y is equal to minus sin inverse x. Y is equal to minus sin inverse x. This implies y value is sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x, and prove. Similar, same to same second property. See the second property. Number 2, let tan inverse of minus x is equal to y I am taking, implies minus x is equal to tan y. This implies x is equal to minus tan y. X is equal to tan of minus y. You can write y because tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Implies tan can this side. Tan inverse of x is equal to minus y. Y is equal to minus tan inverse x. What is the y? Y is tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x, and prove. Okay, this one we can take as a 1. Here since from 1 also can write. Next, number 3. Cosecant inverse of minus x I am taking as a y. Minus x is equal to cosecant y. X is equal to minus cosecant y. X is equal to, we can write cosecant of minus y. Now cosecant and again left side, this will become cosecant inverse x is equal to minus y. Y is equal to minus cosecant inverse of x. What is the y? This if you are taking 1, y value is cosecant inverse of minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse x, and prove. For the next property number 3, cos inverse of minus x is equal to phi minus cos inverse x. We have to show this. For that purpose, let cos inverse of minus x is equal to, I am taking as a y. Cos inverse and right side minus x is equal to cos y. This is equal to x is equal to minus cos y. Implies x is equal to, we can't write the cos of minus y. Why? Because cos of minus y is cos y. Here negative is less. So that purpose I am writing phi minus y, cos of 180 minus theta. minus cos theta. Next, I'll send cos right side. Cos inverse x is equal to phi minus y. Cos inverse of x is equal to phi minus y. What is the y value? Cos inverse of minus x. These two interchange. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to phi minus cos inverse x, and proof. Next, same to same second property. You see the second property. Let secant inverse of minus x is equal to y and x. Same to same, send that side. Minus x is equal to secant y. X is equal to minus secant y. X is equal to minus secant y. Which implies x is equal to secant of pi minus y. Why? Because secant of 180 minus theta. Second quadrant, secant is negative. So we will get this one. Implies, now we will find this side. Secant inverse x is equal to pi minus y. Implies secant inverse x is equal to pi minus secant inverse of minus x. We are taking y value. Y value substituting it. Now you interchange this one and this one. Negative is there, it will become positive. Positive is there, it will become negative. Implies secant inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse x, and proof. Next, property number 3. Let cos inverse of minus x is equal to y. Implies minus x is equal to cos y. X is equal to minus cos y minus cos y. This implies x is equal to cot of minus y also we can write, cot of pi minus y also we can write. Pi minus y we have to take it. Pi minus y. 180 minus theta. Cot of 180 minus theta, second quadrant, negative will be. Now, cot inverse of x, send this side, pi minus y. What is the y value? Cot inverse of x is equal to pi minus cot inverse of minus x. Cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x, and proof. Pause the video. So property number 4. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Proof. Number 1. Sin inverse x is equal to, I am taking as a y. Like sin inverse x is equal to 1. Sin inverse right side x is equal to sin y. X is equal to sin y. We can write, we have the property cos of 90 minus y. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. So next, cos in left side. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. What is the y value? Sin inverse x. Then right side, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, and proof. Next, property number 2. let tan inverse x is equal to y implies x is equal to tan y x is equal to tan y implies x is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus y cot of 90 minus theta tan theta implies x is equal to cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. I mean cot inverse y implies cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. Y is tan inverse x. Interchange these two. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Next, property number 3. Let secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. X is equal to, secant inverse x is equal to y. X is equal to secant y. X is equal to cosecant of pi by 2 minus y we can write here. Now, cosecant inverse x, cosecant and left side inverse will get pi by 2 minus y. Cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. What is the y value? Secant inverse x. If you send this one left side, it will become secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 and prove. For the figure. Property number 5. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Condition xy is compulsory less than 1. Now, proof purpose, let I am taking first proof. Tan inverse x is equal to theta. I am assuming 1 meter. Next, tan inverse of y is equal to phi and x. This is theta, that is phi. This implies x equal to how much we get tan inverse and that side tan theta. Next, tan inverse and that side y is equal to tan phi. Y is equal to tan phi. Next, now I need tan of theta plus phi. Tan of a plus b formula I am using here. Tan a means here theta, b means phi. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a and tan b. A and b plus theta and phi substitution method. Next, tan of theta plus phi is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but x. Tan phi is nothing but y by 1 minus xy. Since from equation 1. This one taking as equation 1 is total. Now, send tan that side. How much we get? Theta plus phi. What is the theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse x plus phi. Tan inverse y is equal to, tan is there, right side pending, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy and prove it. Similarly, second property, in this one, second one, same, let tan inverse x is equal to theta, comma tan inverse y is equal to phi, assume x, assume. Now, same x is equal to how much we get? Tan theta y is equal to tan phi. This is equation number 1. These two x and y I am taking as equation number 1. Now tan here negative is there, so that's why theta minus phi. Tan of a minus b formula will apply here. Tan theta minus tan phi by 1 plus tan theta and tan phi. These formulas already basic trigonometry we discussed. You can see that what is the formula, you can read it. Now tan of theta minus phi is equal to tan theta is x, tan phi is y. 1 plus xy. Theta minus phi is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Theta is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus by 1 plus xy and prove. This is the property number 5. For the video. Property number 6. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. All are 2 tan inverse x formulas in terms of sin, in terms of cos, in terms of tan. So first of all, I will take tan inverse x is equal to y. I am taking implies x is equal to tan y. You will get. Now RHS part I am taking RHS sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Sin inverse of 2x. X is nothing but tan y divided by 1 plus tan square y is equal to sin inverse of. This is the formula of sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Already I wrote that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write here sin 2y, sin inverse cancel 2y, 2y, y is nothing but what? Tan inverse x. This is the RHS part. LHS, sorry. This is the LHS part. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. You can write the question here now. Next, number 2. Same, let tan inverse x is equal to y implies x is equal to tan y. Now, RHS part. RHS part is cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. That is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan inverse tan y by 1 plus tan square y. X plus tan y substitute. This is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta formula. So here y is the cos 2y, cos 2 theta formula here I wrote it. So in place of that you can write cos 2y. This will become 2y. That is equal to 2 into y. What is the y value? Tan inverse x. This is the LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Next, property number 3. Property number 3. Same to same. RHS part I am taking. RHS part first you have to take let tan inverse x is equal to y implies x is equal to tan y. RHS part. RHS part is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. That is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan y by 1 minus tan square y. This is equal to tan inverse of, this is the formula of tan 2 theta. So tan 2y is equal to 2y square. You can write y is tan inverse x. This is the LHS part. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to exercise 2.2 example problem. Example 3. Show that sin inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x, and same question 2 cos inverse x, and restrictions is there. So for that first problem, let x is equal to right side sin inverse is there, so I am taking as a sin theta. This is like theta is equal to sin inverse x. This side we are finding theta is equal to sin inverse x. In this LHS what I am taking, LHS what is sin inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse of 2x. What is the x? Sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin inverse of 2 sin theta square root of trigonometric first identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. By that one we can write 1 minus cos sin square theta is cos square theta, where root gets cancelled. Sin inverse of 2 sin theta into cos theta. This one gone already. 2 sin theta into cos theta, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Theta, what is the theta? Sin inverse x. Since from equation 1. We are taking this as a 1 from equation 1. This is only RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, problem number 2. In this one, problem number 2. Let x is equal to, here cos inverse x is there, so you have to take here cos theta. Imply theta is equal to cos inverse x. LHS part. What is the LHS part? Sin inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse of 2 x is cos theta square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin inverse of 2 cos theta square root of 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta, square root gets cancelled. Again it is in the form of 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Here, both it will go 2 theta. Theta is nothing but here what? Theta is cos inverse x. From equation 1. This is the RHS part. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. This is the example number 3. Next, example 4. Show that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. We have the formula. First, I will write the formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Property is there. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So So LHS part I'll take here. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse by formula, direct substitution. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Here, take the LCM. Tan inverse of upside LCM is 22. 2 11 the 22. Cross multiply. 11 into 1 is 11. 2 into 2 is 4. Take the LCM here also. 22 LCM. So 22 minus 2. 22 get cancelled. Tan inverse of 15 by 20. Tan inverse of 15 by 20. 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20. This is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. This is RHS. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. For the video. Example 5. Express the tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x in simplest form. Simplest form is nothing but you have to just simplify. You can't do any simplification after the total simplification. For that purpose, I'll take tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x. This I'll write as a tan inverse of cos 2x formula is there, cos square x minus sin square x. But here cos x is there, so we can write cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by 1. Trigonometric first identity I will use here. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is equal to 1. Next, minus sin x is there. Sin x is nothing but 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Tan inverse of upside and right a square minus b square formula. All divided by cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. This total a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. A plus a minus b whole square. So now this one cancel. Next, tan inverse of cos x by 2 taking common. Cos x by 2 taking common means 1 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 taking common. Common means here 1. Here not there. Cos x by 2 not there. So divided by is outright. When it is not there, that time we outright divided by. And this one cancel is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. So 1 plus tan x by 2, I can write here 1 into. Now it is in the form of tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. That is nothing but tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but 5 by 4. Why? Because we are tan 45. Tan inverse cancel plus x by this is the simplest form. Next one, cos inverse of 1 by root x square minus 1 is there. I am taking that x is equal to secant theta. X is equal to secant theta. Cos inverse of 1 by square root of secant square theta minus 1. That is equal to cos inverse of 1 by square root of, this is tan square theta. Square root cancel. Cos inverse of 1 by tan p cos theta is equal to theta. Theta implies theta is equal to secant inverse x. Secant inverse x. This is the simplest form. Just is the simplest form. Next problem number 7. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse of this value equal to this. Solution. Put x is equal to tan theta. Implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. I am taking here RHS part. RHS part. Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. That is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta x place we are substituting tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That is equal to tan inverse of, this is the formula, tan 3 theta formula, tan 3 theta. So both cancel 3 theta. Theta is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. We can write it. Tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x. 1 plus 2, 3. Why we are writing this as? This is tan inverse x as it is plus 2 tan inverse x formula is the property. One property is that is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the LHS part. This formula is there. This is the formula. 2 tan inverse x formula. LHS is equal to RHS. Next we discuss about the exercise 2.2 inverse trigonometry. First problem, prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. X is belongs to condition the given. Solution purpose, I am taking here RHS part. RHS sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Put x is equal to sin x. Why? Because here sin is there. In terms of sin you have to convert. That implies sin inverse of 3 sin theta you take. Sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. It is equal to sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is sin 3 theta formula. So sin inverse sin cancel 3 theta. What is the theta here? Theta is sin inverse x. Theta is sin inverse x. This is the LHS part. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, problem number 2. Prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x minus 3x cube. Solution is same RHS part you take. RHS part cos inverse of 4x minus 3x cube, that is equal to cos inverse of 4x. What is x put? X is equal to cos theta. Put x is equal to cos theta. 4 cos theta minus 3 cos cube theta, that is equal to cos inverse of, this is the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. Cos inverse cos cancel. 3 theta is the answer. Theta is equal to, implies theta is equal to cos inverse x is cos inverse x LHS. Theta value substitution. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, problem number 3. Prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 2 by 24 equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. LHS part you take tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. Formula is there. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 whole divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Formula is how to write it. Equal to tan inverse of LCM is 24, 24. 264 is the LCM. Cross multiply. 48 plus 77 divided by, here also 264 minus 14 divided by 264. 264 get cancelled is equal to tan inverse of 48 plus 72. It is 125 divided by, this value is 250. 125 2s are 250. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. It is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Pause the video. Next, problem number 4. Prove that 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to, that will also show. But 2 tan inverse is there. We have tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. But here 2 also there. We have one more formula. 2 tan inverse x formula. Tan inverse of 2 into x by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. This is the LHS part. This one cancel. Tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. This simplification if we are making tan inverse of 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Tan inverse of 4 by 3, reverse, 1 by 3 by 4 is nothing but 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. That is equal to tan inverse of, take the LCM, LCM is 21. LCM is 21. 7 4 the 28 plus 3 divided by 21 minus 4 divided by 21. 21 is cancelled. Tan inverse of that value is 31 by 17. Tan inverse of 31 by 17. This is the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. First we have to simplify 2 tan inverse x formula. Next tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Next problem number 5. Write the given question in simpler form. Simpler form. For that purpose, put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Trigonometric identity purpose substitution making. Square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of this value 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Square root get cancelled. Tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So more simplification we have to make here. Tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1. Tan inverse of secant I am writing as a 1 by cos. Tan writing as a sin theta by cos theta. This is equal to tan inverse of, take the LCM, 1 minus cos theta by cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is nothing but, we know the formula, 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 sin theta by 2, 1 sin theta by 2 get cancelled. Is equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 into divided by cos theta by 2. So tan inverse cancel theta by 2. Theta, what is the theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse x. 1 by 2 tan inverse x. This is the simplest form of the